So the most important question that must be coming to your mind is, what is the scope of an architect? Or what is the scope of architecture? The process by which an architect evolves is very intensive and unique to each person. This journey of architecture is full of intrigue and interest. So what are the various fields in which an architect can contribute apart from designing the buildings? Let's find out.
An architect can design gardens, urban parks, create artificial forests, golf courses, biodiversity parks, memorial parks, like the War Memorial in New Delhi. For that, he or she has to specialize in landscape architecture as a postgraduate course. The basics of landscape architecture are already taught at the B.Arch level. An architect also designs at larger scales of cities or towns. An example would be that the city of Chandigarh and many buildings within it were designed by the famous architect Le Corbusier. One can pursue a master's degree in urban design, town planning, urban and regional planning, transportation planning, and design to do the same.
Similarly, there are many other fields like computer application to architecture, digital architecture, valuation and arbitration of buildings, building automation, which deals with the centralized controlling of buildings' heat, ventilation and air conditioning, lighting and other systems.
Digital architecture is created using technology and softwares. This type of architecture simulates details of a building precisely, such that it saves time, money, and energy. Leading architectural firms in the world, such as Zaha Hadid Architects London, use technology to ease their process of design and construction.
When it comes to job prospects, there is a booming demand of architects in India today. Public and government organizations like archaeology, space research, disaster management, railways, housing and defense hire architects. There is a special course called Naval Architecture which trains one to design marine structures. You can also be self-employed under the guidelines of Council of Architecture, which provides all architects the license to do a private practice under the Architects Act of 1972. You can also contribute to the architecture profession academically by fulfilling the guidelines stated by Council of Architecture to work as a teacher.